let's see how to draw a long line in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to draw or insert a line, simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Shapes, and you'll see that under the Lines section, you have a variety of lines to choose from. Now let's say that we want to insert a straight line. So that is the first option right here. Now, to insert your line, click and hold your mouse and drag the cursor to where your line wants to end. Now, for example, we want our line to be about this long. And now we have our line. However, let's say that we want to draw a longer line that is in freeform. So let's go ahead to the Insert tab once again, click on Shapes, and right here, you'll see the option to scribble your own line. Now, you'll see that I can now draw my line freely. And this is how you can draw or insert a long line in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.